the price of overall crypto right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and every other crypto is slowly pumping towards the upside as of now. And well, today is 31st of December and from tomorrow onwards new year will start. So what I'm expecting from crypto the next year plus the next week as well. So I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart over here, and last time when I made the video of Bitcoin, it dumped all the way down till $87,300 approximately over here, and after that the price was sideways, and right now it is slowly pumping towards the upside. But see, here's the thing, this is right now the year end moment, so there is not much volatility or liquidity in the market as of now. Volume is also pretty low. We are seeing a small pump towards the upside in the last few days of this year, but overall next year, again I will say this again and again, that next year also I'm expecting a dump in the price of Bitcoin. My scenario, or I would say my stance, still remains the same as it was in my previous videos, so do watch my previous videos as well. I have mentioned it plethora of times that I am right now bearish on Bitcoin and it has to dump again towards the downside, minimum right now till $83,700. that's the minimum of the minimum target. And to be quite honest, the exact price target I'm expecting for the Bitcoin to dump is 73k, because recently it's just way overbought and still there are a lot of buyers in the market rather than sellers, and the price is overbought. So I'm expecting a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin probably in the next year. If I'm expecting a bearish dump in the price of Bitcoin, then yes, I'm expecting it on Ethereum and Solana and every other crypto as well. Right now again the price of Ethereum is just sideways, slowly pumping towards the upside like Bitcoin. Volume is also pretty much dead on the year end as of now, but again very easily I'm expecting the price of Ethereum to dump first the next year. As you can see, $2,700 approximately here, because last time, see, this is a very important resistance zone for Ethereum for now, from $3,340 approx to $3,500 level. Last time it got rejected exactly from here. We saw bears entering in the market and they pushed the price towards the downside, but still the target is yet to be met, because the target is at $2,700, this important support zone over here. So yes, the bears right now are stimulated in the market as well, and to be quite honest, I'm expecting a dump in Ethereum also very soon. Alright, in the end, talking about Solana. So Solana, well, it exactly came at this zone over here. So this is a very important support zone from $119 to $123, and if you are watching my previous crypto videos, I already predicted it that the price of Solana has to come and will come all the way down till this zone, $119 level, and it exactly did. As of now, well, the price of Solana, I told you all that I'm expecting a fake out from this zone, meaning that Solana price can dump below this zone, act as a fake out, and then pump towards the upside, trapping all the retailers. And as you can see, that fake out has not happened till now. We have seen the price making exact support from here, but not a fake out. So again, as I said, I'm bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and if they too dump, then obviously Solana will also dump from here. And if Sol dumps, then we can see a fake out, major fake out from this level. Why? Because this is a very important support zone. If I zoom out, you can see here also it is a crucial and a very crucial zone for Solana, resistance as well as support, as you can see. So that's why I did not enter in a long position when the price was here. Why? Because I'm still expecting a dump in the price of Solana. To be quite honest, I will enter in a long position in Solana once my Bitcoin and Ethereum targets are met, like the minimum targets of Bitcoin and Ethereum are met, then I will consider entering in a long position in Solana if the price is anywhere near my support zone, or else I will not take a trade. And obviously that will also be a very risky trade, because crypto can just continue to dump or continue to pump. So it is very, I would say, hard to predict the exact point of reversal. But again, nothing of this is financial advice. Don't copy trade me, don't copy my strategies, and these are not even my strategies. These are just right now I'm waiting and watching the charts. I make these videos so that you guys can understand how trading works, how price action works, and what analysis I do or how I read my charts, so that you can do the same and do trading on your own rather than being dependent on someone else. So right now I'm avoiding taking any trade on Solana, and well, let's see how the main Bitcoin and Ethereum price action works out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's crypto video, and probably the last crypto video for 2025. And well, as you have already seen, the volume is pretty much low right now in the market. The price action is also sideways, little bit pump towards the upside we are seeing, but the next year I'm expecting a dump. Small term also I am bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and in long term also I'm way bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, because this year and the last year 24 and 25 were very, I would say, way overhyped, way bullish for Bitcoin and Ethereum and overall crypto, which made obviously the whole crypto overbought. And yeah, I'm expecting a dump in them, and as you have already seen in the video, I will enter in a long position in Solana most probably, or Ethereum if I find a good opportunity to take a trade, or else I will not. Don't copy trade me. Again, I'm saying this, just learn from my trades and learn from other YouTubers or any channel you follow, but don't copy anyone. Do your own trading, learn from your own mistakes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, you can do that on a centralized exchange or decentralized. If you want to use a centralized exchange, then link of Bybit, Binance and some other crypto exchanges are in the description below. You can use them if you want, or else no pressure promotion, you can use Hyperliquid as well. It is a decentralized exchange. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.